Are you looking to dive into the world of trading? Discover how to maximize your profit with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learn tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out, let's get started. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Plus500 trading platform. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into plus500.com. This is the homepage. As you can see here we have several things to know about plus500.com. I will show you how. So welcome to our guide on Plus500, the popular trading platform that known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we will define Plus500 and explore its features that attract traders worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. Stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. Let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is click over Start with the Act, and you will find a page and you link your personal information. Then you will done with your inscription. But we have an issue in your sign up. So the solution that you have to do is just use a VPN, because there is no some countries that you can't use it. So for example, if you live in Africa, you cannot use it. So you have just to use this free VPN, and then you choose other countries such as USA, and we have UK, France, Netherlands or Spain. Then you get started with it. So here we have it, how it works. You can just download it and you have to click over here and you have to activate the VPN. So here we have the VPN. You have just to switch it on and you have to go to the home page. Then you link your personal information and you get started with plus500.com. Also, we have here other options if you want to know it. For example, here we have in market such as crypto, indexes, forex, raw materials, share, options, and all markets. Then here we have trade, premium service, professional trade, fees and expenses, and we have Plus500 invest. Then we have company such as above us, partners, relationships, and with investors, also privacy policy, disclosures, Chicago Bulls, language walls, and we have here this is the sponsorships. Then we have educational resources like Trade Academy, Insights, Economic Calendar, Risk Management, warning as well. So once you sign up, you will find other page, which is this one. But before, let's know other information about Plus500. So if we scroll down, we will find here why Plus500. So the first one, which is protected and safe. Your data is safe and your money is kept in separate bank accounts in accordance with legal requirements. And we have here regulated. Plus500 as is authorized and regulated by the Estonian Financial Supervision and Financial Settlement. You have a label also, professional support, and here we have it. So if we scroll down, we will find also this one, smarter to act, practice your strategy firstly, try our free demo account before opening a real trading account to explore our intuitive trading platform and improve your skills. Then we have expand your knowledge, learn more about trading CFDs with Plus500 using our comprehensive educational materials. Then we have manage your risk, use our advanced risk management tools to limit your losses and record profit. And here we have it. All right, so once you click over sign up and you find your account, you will find this page, as you can see. So this is the home page. Right now I will show you how you can use the plus500.com. So using the Plus500 trading platform, it's easy and user-friendly. You have just to start by creating an account and completing the verification process as I did. Once you are logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So here we have the home page. For example, here we find all popular such as Spotlight, popular options, rises and failures, as you can see. Then here we have also my watch list. Then we have commodities. We have here commodities options, indices, and we have here crypto, forex, options, forex, and we have here indices, options, and this is it, as you can see. Also here we have this option of open positions. So first of all, I will just change it to the white. Here we have dark night, as you can see. So for example, we have the open to position. So we have no open positions here. Click to buy, sell, button in the trade screen to start opening new positions. You have just to click over start trading now. And once you click over here, you have just to create yours, as you can see. For example, you have to expect it if it's gonna grow up or it's gonna diminish. All right. Why now we have also this orders. We have closed positions, insights, and the insights we have here get exclusive access to millions of Plus500 customers activity in real time. So we have here the option of most traders, most viewed, and most follows. If we scroll down, we will find here most profit making positions, most loss making positions, highest buy ratio, high sell ratio, also highest profit return from a trade, highest loss return from a trade as well. And we have here funds, account balance, if you want to deposit, if you want to withdraw also. Then here we have if you want to dark or white. And here we have the mode. You can just change it to the demo mode, and if you want to also switch it to the real money, as you can see. So let's wait, and here we have it. We have real money mode, and also we have the last option, which is live support, and here we have it. So let's come back to the home page. All right, here we have other options, such as here if we want to just draw, if we want to cross here, if we want to also info, and here we have switch between the buy and sell prices of the instrument. Then we have also range selector, open chart in a new window, then we have here, for example, this one. You have current sell rate. You have just to expect it, as you can see. Then here we have if you want a 5 minute, 1 hour, 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and we have here max. Also we have here if you want a multiple chart view, candle, indicators, and we have here views, and just select here how much. As you can see, you have just to get started, and then you have to trade in right now. So this is how you can get started. You click over let's go and you get started. So thanks for watching our guide on the Plus500 trading platform. We hope you have a clear understanding of its features and benefits. Remember, successful trading comes from practice and knowledge, so don't hesitate to apply the tips we shared. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share more for more trading insights. Happy trading, and see you next time. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.